Hello everyone, you're welcome to simplify this math problem, which is 7 to power 5 plus 7 to power 4 plus 7 to power 3 plus 7 squared plus 7 to power 1. So solution from here, we can express 7 to power 5 as 7 to power 4 plus 1, then plus 7 to power 4, then plus 7 to power 3 can be expressed as 7 to power 2 plus 1. So if you say 7 raised to power 2 plus 1 is the same thing as 7 to power 3. Then plus 7 squared. Then plus 7 raised to power 1 is the same thing as 7. But now 7 to power 4 plus 1, this is in the form of a to power n plus m, which we can transform as a to power n times a to power m. So let's apply this exponent property. So that now, here we'll have 7 to power 4 times 7 to power 1 plus 7 to power 4, then plus 7 to power 2 plus 1 is in the form of 8 to power n plus m, which we can express as 8 to power n times 8 to power m. So here we'll have 7 squared times 7 to power 1, then plus. Now here we have 7 to power 4, and 7 to power 4 is common. We factor out 7 to power 4. Into the bracket, we'll have 7 plus 1, then plus. We have that 7 to power 2 plus 1. By applying this exponent identity, we'll have 7 to power 2 times 7 to power 1 plus 7 to power 2, then plus 7. So 7 to power 2 is common here. We factor out 7 to power 2. Then here we'll have 7 plus 1, then plus 7. The next step here, we have 7 to power 4 multiplied by 7 plus 7, this is 8. Then plus, here we have 7 to power 2 multiplied by 7 plus 1, which is 8. Then plus 7. We can express 7 to power 4. This is the same thing as 7 to power 2 plus 2, then multiplied by 8 plus 7 squared multiplied by 8, then plus 7. Now, 7 raised to power 2 plus 2, this is actually in the form of 8 to power n plus m, which you can transform as 8 to power n times 8 to power m. So this is the same thing as 7 to power 2 times 7 to power 2, okay, multiplying by 8, then plus 7 to power 2 multiplying by 8, okay, then plus 7. So 7 to power 2 here is common. We factor out 7 to power 2. Then here we'll have 7 to power 2 plus 1, close the bracket, multiplied by 8, then plus 7. So here we have 7 squared. Here we have 7 squared. This is 49 plus 1, which is equal to 50, multiplied by 8, then plus 7. 7 squared, this is 49, then multiplied by 50, multiplied by 8, then plus 7. Now, we can express 49. 49 can be expressed as 48 plus 1. So here we have 48 plus 1. Then 50 can be expressed as 48 plus 2. Then multiplied by 8, then plus 7. The next step here, we say let 48 be given as x. Let's substitute x here. So we have x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. Everything here multiplied by 8, then plus 7. Now here, we let x to be equal to 48. So that now, here we'll have x plus 1. And here we have x plus 2. We close the bracket here. Then multiplied by 8, then plus 7. So let's expand here. This is the same thing as x. Multiply x plus 2, then plus 1. Multiply x plus 2. Close the bracket here. Times 8, then plus 7. So here we have x times x, this is x squared, then plus 2 times x, this is 2x, then plus 1 times x, this is x, then plus 1 times 2, this is 2, close the bracket here, times 8, then plus 7. So this is x squared plus 2x plus x, this is 3x, then plus 2, then everything here multiplied by 8, then plus 7. Now, but x here is equal to 48, so let's substitute here. So this is the same thing as 48 squared plus 3 times 48 plus 2, close the bracket, multiply by 8, then plus 7. Now here we have 48 squared, okay, which is 48 times 48. So here we have 8 times 8 is 64, so 4 carries 6, then 8 plus times 4, that's 2 plus 6, that is 38. 8 times 4, this is 32, it's 2 carry 3, then 4 times 4, 16 plus 3, this is 19. So here we have 4, this is 10, 0 carry 1, this is 13, carry 1, so we have 2304, so 2304 plus, now 48 times 3, this is 144, then plus 2, everything here multiplied by 8, then plus 7. So we have 2304, 144 plus 2, this is 146. So 6 plus 4, this is 10, 0 carry 1, this is 5, then here we have 4, so we have 2450. So 2450 multiplied by 8, then plus 7. So you will have 2450 times 8. So 0 times 8, this is 0. 8 times 5, this is 40. So 0 carry 4. 8 times 4, this is 32 plus 4, 36. So 6 carry 3. Then 8 times 2, 16 plus 3, this is 19. So we have 19,600 plus 7. So that now the solution to this problem is 19,607. So this is the solution to this math problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and more importantly, subscribe. Please subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.